perspective, the RO market is seeing a trend towards reducing the total energy consumption of a plant, especially with 100 MLD plant sizes being much more common these days. Small reductions in your energy consumption could save you millions of dollars over the 20-30 year project lifetimes. So in a lot of the cases, we want to emphasize lowering the energy consumption as much as possible. And LG does this by utilizing our high rejection seawater membranes to the maximum potential by combining it with the feed and permeate split. In this way, we can reduce the size of the second pass as much as possible, which also reduces capital as well as energy consumption costs. In order to fully analyze the plant, we need to take a look at the entire operating scenarios, not just worst case, because when you're taking a look at worst case, it doesn't show the full picture of your most common operating points. So maybe the system performance is not the best at the worst case, but if you're operating maybe 90% of the time at average temperature conditions, the worst case condition is obviously not as important in terms of the overall cost of the plant. In some cases, you can see some membrane designs have higher maximum required feed pressure. However, this is not always indicative of higher energy consumption. There can be some cases where these higher feed pressures, in conjunction with higher rejection seawater membranes, could lead to energy savings by reducing the size of the second pass in terms of both capital and energy consumption costs. Well, LG Water Solutions has a number of resources to help customers in terms of both design and monitoring of their RO systems. So for the design aspect, we have the Q+ projection software, which allows you to project and simulate your membrane performance. So we can put together a plant design, see if it meets the required permeate quality requirements and feed pressure requirements for your system. And then on the back end, once the system is actually installed, we can help monitor performance with our QC normalization software. We can track parameters such as normalized permeate flow, normalized salt passage, and normalized differential pressure. And with this, you can check if your plant is performing as expected or if there's any maybe hiccups or issues with your plant performance. And in this way, we can recommend system cleanings for the plant in order to prevent further deterioration of performance.